Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete applications on iPhone storage. So, if you have some unwanted app on your iPhone and I want to delete the application, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete applications on iPhone storage, all you need to do is go ahead and open the iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on General. Once you selected General, scroll down and click on iPhone storage. Here, hang on for the iPhone storage to load. Once your iPhone storage opens, then you should see all the applications you have here. Then click on Show All to reveal all iPhone storage apps. Now, to delete any app on your iPhone storage, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the application. Once you click on the app like this, locate and click on Delete App. Then you see spot that says, are you sure you want to delete the application? If yes, go ahead and click on Delete. And then hang on. Then you should see the application deleted from your iPhone storage. Now you can also check again, just go ahead and check for the application you want to delete. Mark you, if you want to delete application with each size on your iPhone, all you need to do is come here and click on size. So sort by size. Then this is going to sort the app by size on your iPhone. Now you can now go ahead, click on the application you want to delete, and then hit the delete button to delete it. So this works on all the apps you have on the iPhone storage. So scroll through and then click on it again, click on delete, and then delete. So you can repeat this to delete multiple applications on your iPhone storage. So that is basically how to delete applications on iPhone storage. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.